Hey guys, so ever since the time I started growing a beard, I have been quite fascinated with it. And not only just growing but also maintaining it as well. You see, maintaining a beard is a whole process and it should not be underestimated. This is why guys, today I will show you exactly how you can maintain your beard with the right kind of products. So, let's start. First and foremost, wash your beard regularly. Now, your beard hair is different from the hair on your head. That means you need dedicated products for your beard maintenance. So, grab yourself a good quality beard wash and let's get started. Now, here's a little bonus tip for you. Add a beard conditioner or a beard mask to your routine. This will keep your beard moisturized. Remember guys, washing your beard once or twice a week is ideal. Washing it too frequently can strip away natural oils, leading to dry and itchy beard. Now, I always use this beard wash from Villain to keep it clean and dirt-free. You can check it out on Amazon. Use beard oil. Beard oil is the second most important thing. It promotes hair growth and keeps your facial hair soft and manageable. Now, when and how to apply beard oil? Use it after a shower because the extra moisture in the air will provide optimal hydration. Just take a few drops of your beard oil and massage it on your beard and moustache. Remember, the amount of oil you need depends on your beard's length and thickness. Now, guys, applying beard oil every day is usually a good starting point. However, if you live in a dry climate, you might want to pamper your beard with daily application. Oh, and one last thing. When it comes to beard oil, opt for natural products. The fewer chemicals, the better. Okay, so I use this Beardo Beard Hair Growth Oil and absolutely love it. You can check it out on Amazon. Trim your neckline and cheek line. The next thing you need is a beard shaper. First things first, you'll need a brush and an electrical trimmer for a precise cut. But hey, if you're feeling adventurous, you can even go old school and use a pair of scissors and a comb. Now, here are a few pointers to keep in mind. First, use beard shapers to trim your neckline. Next, smile and follow the natural line of your cheeks up to your sideburns. Now here's an important tip. Take it slow. Don't rush the process, especially if you're a beginner. Trimming is especially important for shorter beards or during the early stages of beard growth. And hey, if you're feeling a bit unsure about the trimming process, don't worry. There are plenty of tutorials and guides available online that can help you walk you through it step by step. So, I use this beard shaper by Signamio. You can check it out on Amazon. The next important step is to use a beard balm. Now you might be wondering, do I really need both beard oil and a beard balm? Well, not necessarily. Beard balm can be your go-to product if you want that extra conditioning and styling power. Beard balm helps prevent beard dandruff, keeps itchiness at bay and ensures your beard stays hydrated. Here's how you can use a beard balm. First, scoop up a small amount of beard balm. Next, spread the balm between your palms, allowing it to melt. Now, apply it to your beard in the same way you would with beard oil. Massage it in, making sure to reach every strand of facial hair. I, however, use this beard balm by Man Arden and it is a superb product. Check it out on Amazon. Use a beard brush. Now, let's talk about a secret weapon for your beard maintenance, the beard brush. It keeps your facial hair soft and manageable. So, how do you incorporate this magical brush into your routine? Make brushing your whiskers a daily ritual, whether it's in the morning or after your shower. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much brushing or using the wrong brush can lead to skin irritation or dreaded split ends. Now here's a pro tip. Opt for a brush with natural bristles to prevent the annoying static buildup. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Use a beard trimmer or shaping tool. Okay, so guys, the shaping tool is like your personal beard stylist. Unlike those old school scissors, trimmers are user-friendly and offer various comb lengths. You need to grab your shaping tool and use upward motion to get rid of the excess hair. And yes, it's that easy. So you might be wondering whether this step is really important for maintaining a proper beard. Well, yes it is. Removing stray hairs. As your beard grows, it's natural for a few stray hair to appear. But a trim razor can keep your beard under control. First, make sure your beard is dry and free of any styling products. Hold the trim razor with a steady hand and approach those stray hair with confidence. Take your time and work in small sections for the best results. And that's a wrap on our guide on beard care. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily routine, you will be on your way to achieving a glorious, well-groomed beard that turns heads wherever you go. Until next time, stay bearded and stay confident. Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.